Bella, Bella, are you hungry? Bella, are you hungry? Okay, Bella, we have two options here. We're waiting for the test. Here's this food. Do you like that food? Or you'd rather eat your Bella food? Okay, how about we try that one? You want to try this one? So you like your Bella food? But Bella, we have another option. Here. How about this one? Here. This one. Eat that one. Eat that one, Bella. Bella. Bella, is that your favorite? Sit down, Bella. Sit. Bella, sit. Here, talk to me. Bella. Bella. Hold on. Sit. Sit. Sit, Bella. Look. Bella, do you like your food? Do you like the Bella food? Tell me. Do you like it? Because you do have another option. Okay. Okay, one more try, Bella. You do have other options. Let's see. Here, sit, 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 stay.